Hello student, in this video we will learn about adverbs. In the part of speech, adverb plays an important role. Let us see what is its role. Means student, as we already learned about the 8th part of speech, in that adverb plays an important role, and in this video we will learn what is its role. Adverb. Basically, most adverbs tell you how, where, or when something is done. In other words, they describe the manner, place or time of an action. Mean student, adverb हमें बताते हैं कि कौन सा काम कब, कैसे और कहाँ हुआ था. और अगर हम सिंपल वर्ड्स में बात करें तो adverb describe the manner, place or time of an action. Commonly, adverbs are formed from adjectives. Some are below. Students, we can form adverbs with the help of adjectives. See the example given below. Adjectives are given as kind, happy, wonderful, loud, sad, beautiful, sweet. So, whenever we change this adjective into adverb, then we have to add ly at the end. So, kind become kindly, happy become happily, wonderful become wonderfully, loud become loudly, sad become sadly, beautiful become beautifully, sweet become sweetly. Many adverbs end with ly. You make this adverb by adding ly to adjectives. Means students, काफ़ी adverb ऐसे होते हैं जो ly के साथ फिनिश होते हैं. अब हमें ऐसे adverbs को हम क्या कर सकते हैं, एडजेक्टिव बना सकते हैं. कैसे बना सकते हैं? बाय एडिंग ly. नोट में देखिए हम यहाँ पे कुछ मेन पॉइंट्स दिए गए हैं. लेट्स रीड इट. Some words that end in ly are not adverbs. Some adjectives end in ly too. Means student, कुछ ऐसे words होते हैं, कुछ ऐसे adverbs होते हैं जो ly से ख़त्म होते हैं. वो ज़रूरी नहीं कि वो adverb हों. और ऐसा ही adjective के साथ भी होता है. ऐसे भी adjective होते हैं जो ly से ख़त्म होते हैं लेकिन वो adjective रियली में वो adjective नहीं होते हैं. This we can understood with the help of an example given below. Sam was feeling very lonely. Second one is, she was wearing a lovely dress. It was a very lively party. In all these three type of sentences, you can see that the words and in ly are not adverbs, and some adjectives which are and in ly are not adjectives. Now, kinds of adverbs. There are students 4 kinds of adverbs. First one is adverb of manner. Adverb of manner describe in which manner an action is done. It tells about the manner of having the action. The second one is adverb of place. It describes where an action is done. ये हमें बताता है कि जो एक्शन है वो कहाँ पे हुआ था. The third one is time frequency. It describes when an action is done. कि कौन सा एक्शन कब हुआ था. How many times. Frequency means it shows how many times an action is done. कितनी बार जो एक्शन है वो परफॉर्म हुआ है. The last one is purpose and reason. It describes the purpose or reason for the action. That what will be the reason or purpose of having the action. Now let us see the adverb of place. Some adverbs and adverb phrases answer the question where. They are called adverb of places. कुछ ऐसे स्टूडेंट्स एडवर्ब्स होते हैं या फिर फ्रेसेस होते हैं जो हमें क्वेश्चन पूछते हैं कि जो एक्शन है वो कहाँ पे हुआ है, कौन सी प्लेस पे हुआ है. एग्जांपल देखिए. The boys are playing upstairs. Where are the boys playing? Boys are playing upstairs, right? The dog is in the garden. Where is the dog? The dog is in the garden. So, जब भी हम पूछते हैं किसी चीज़ के बारे में कि कहाँ पे है वो चीज़, तो at that point of time, whatever the adverb we use to tell the answer, that adverbs are known as adverb of place. Second one is, we are going to New York City on our school trip. Where are you going? Such type of question may be asked. So what will be your answer? We are going to New York City on our school trip. Right? So these are some examples of adverbs of place. It is very sunny but cold outside. मतलब आज बहुत, वैसे देखा जाए तो बहुत ज़्यादा सनी डे है, बट बाहर बहुत ज़्यादा ठंड है. So these are some examples of adverbs of place. Adverb of places. Now we will see some more few examples. I have lived here for about 2 years. मैं यहाँ पे 2 साल से रहता हूँ. तो here tells about, here is the word which tells the adverb of place. English and German are closely related. English और German क्या है? आपस में closely related हैं. In this, closely refers the place. Is Mark still in bed? क्या मार्क अभी भी है बेड में? तो still tells the adverb of place. His children go everywhere with him. उसके जो चिल्ड्रन हैं वो हमेशा उसके साथ ही जाते थे जहाँ पे भी. तो इन दिस एवरीवेयर टेल्स एडवर्ब ऑफ प्लेस. So these are the examples of adverb of places. Now we will talk about the adverb of manner. Some adverb and adverb phrases describe the way people do things. Means हम जब बताते हैं कि कोई काम किस वे में हो रहा है, at that point of time it shows that it is the adverb of manner. See the examples. The girl answered all the questions correctly. So जो गर्ल है वो क्वेश्चन के आंसर कैसे दे रही थी? करेक्टली. कौन से वे में दे रही थी? करेक्टली वे में. So the word correctly is adverb of manner. He was driving carelessly. Means carelessly shows adverb of manner. The third one is the plane landed safely. Ramu plays guitar skillfully. Right? So in this sentence, safely and skillfully shows the adverb of manner. See some more few examples. They watched carefully. The flowers was beautifully made up. She seemed faintly. The team played wonderfully. Means it shows the way of happening of an action. Like in all the 4 sentences, the word like carefully, beautifully, faintly, wonderfully shows adverb of manner. Now we will talk about adverbs of frequency. Some adverbs and adverb phrases answer the question how often an action is done. जो एक्शन है वो कितनी बार जो है वो परफॉर्म हुआ है. Such type of adverb is known as adverb of frequency. See the example. The children always go to school on the bus. I will never make that mistake again. I clean my bedroom every day. Dad polishes his shoes twice a week. In all these 4 type of sentences, the word always, never, every day, twice a week shows the frequency, and hence such type of words are known as adverbs of frequency. Now we will talk about adverb of time. Some adverbs and adverb phrases answer the question when. They are called adverb of time. Whenever we talk about the time, that at what time the action has been taken place, such type of word should be known as adverb of time. See the examples. The train has already left. We moved into our new house last week. Our favorite TV program starts at 6 o'clock. I am going to my new school tomorrow. In all these examples, the words already, last week, at 6 o'clock, tomorrow indicates the time and hence are known as adverb of time. See some more few examples. We shall now begin to work. He called here a few minutes ago. I have spoken to him yesterday. He comes here daily. Mr. Gupta formerly lived here. In all these examples, the word now, few minutes ago, yesterday, daily, formerly shows that shows or indicate the time of the action, that when the action is performed. So such type of the adverbs are known as adverbs of time. Now adverbs of region. The adverbs which tells about a region is called adverb of region. Means the adverb which tells the region that what will be the region of doing such type of an action. At that point of time, the words should be known as adverbs of region. He is hence unable to refute the charge. He therefore left school. Means in this sentence, the reason is given for leaving the school. So such type of an sentences shows that the adverb is of the type of adverb of region. Now let's see the examples of adverbs. She sings sweetly. He speaks quite clearly. She shouts loudly. She smiled cheerfully. The traffic was moving slowly. She writes neatly. We waited patiently to see the doctor. Now see some example of adverb of different kinds. Okay. Now there are the examples of adverb of different types. Right. The first one is tortoise walks slowly. In this, the word slowly refers that the adverb is of type manner. So this is the adverb of manner. Second one is we will have our semester exam on April 1st week. Means April 1st week denotes the time. So this is the adverb of time. The third one is the accident happened near the highway. So the place is given, highway is the place. So it indicates adverb of place. The fourth one is at last twice a week I used to go for temple. Twice. Twice refers that the action is performing for the two times. Means it shows the frequency of an action performed. So we can say that twice indicate adverb of frequency. The fifth one is we all go for a picnic just for enjoyment. Means the reason is given for going to a picnic, right? So we can say that enjoyment indicate adverb of purpose. So student, in this video we will learn about the adverb and its type, and I hope student now the topic of adverb and its type is clear. And Student, now you have to do your worksheets, the question given in the worksheet on the basis of the video. And if you have any doubt regarding adverb and its type, then you have to watch this video for 2 or 3 times so that your doubt being cleared and you can easily solve the worksheet of adverb. So student, in this video we will learn this much only. Till then, goodbye and take care.